Hey y'all, I'm Hisha, the founder of DIY Entrepreneurs and the lead facilitator for the Scale Up Sessions. With over 15 years of experience as a bookkeeper, starting with QuickBooks Desktop and now specializing in QuickBooks Online, I've helped small business owners set up and manage their QuickBooks systems. I also teach the fundamentals of QuickBooks Online for a local business accelerator program. That's why I created the Start to Scale program to provide trusted and practical insights to help you get the most out of QuickBooks Online and grow your business with confidence. Let's dive into today's topic and get your QuickBooks Online working smarter for your business. Today, I'll be giving you a quick overview of how to get started with QuickBooks Online, walking you through some of the basics you need to know in order to get up and running. Setting up these essentials right from the start will give your financial system a solid foundation. The first thing you need to know is which subscription is best for your business. The first step to setting up your QuickBooks Online system is to choose your subscription. There are a few subscription options depending on the size and needs of your business. The most common subscriptions are Simple Start, Essentials, and then Plus. There are more, but these are the most common subscriptions that most small business owners start off with. If you're a solopreneur or a freelancer, Simple Start may be all you need. With larger businesses, you may benefit from the Essentials or the Plus subscription. They include additional features like managing your bills and tracking inventory. QuickBooks often offers a free trial or promotional period for new users, so it's a great way to get started without committing upfront. As a QuickBooks Online business affiliate, we have access to promotional pricing that includes 30% off for 6 months. So make sure you hit the link in the description below to take advantage of our deal. Now, once you've chosen your plan, you're going to follow the steps to sign up and you'll be on your way. They have a very good wizard to help you to key in the information that's needed in order for you to get started. But secondly, you want to get familiar with navigating the dashboard. So now that you're signed up, we're going to take a quick tour of the QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is going to be your central hub for managing your finances. You'll see key sections here like banking, where you can link all of your business bank accounts. You'll also see sales, where you can manage your invoices. And you'll see expenses, which will help you keep track of what you're spending. The dashboard will give you an at a glance view of how your business is doing financially, and you can easily navigate between each section to keep everything in check. Lastly, you're going to ensure that your basic company information is set up correctly. So you want to make sure that you include your company information and make sure that it's set up properly. You're going to head to the company settings section and fill in some important details about your company, like the name, the address, and the tax info. This is where you're going to set up your business type as well. So whether you're a sole proprietor, an LLC, maybe that's a single member liability, or a corporation. This step is crucial because it ensures that your books are set up for tax season, and it also includes some of those default chart of accounts that you're going to need for your business. You'll also want to customize your sales forms to incorporate your business branding with your logo and the messaging that you use. If you get these basics correct, it'll make everything easier down the road. So that's a quick overview of getting started with QuickBooks Online. I do also offer a free download that goes through the entire navigating the dashboard handout for you. It's available on my website. No email is needed. You simply click the link and you could download the resource. But once you've signed up and familiarize yourself with the dashboard, set up your company information, you're ready to explore more features. Now, if you want more detail and in-depth guidance on how to fully optimize your QuickBooks systems, join us for our QuickBooks Online Scale Up session, where we walk you through everything you need step by step. And you have access to me as often as you need it to answer any questions and to get you through any type of complications you may run into. But you're saving money as you set up your QuickBooks Online system yourself. The sign up link is below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.